Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to master dates in Power BI, whether you're building dynamic reports or just want to organize your data like a pro, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to walk you through all the essentials of working with dates using Power Query. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to transform and analyze order dates, but you'll also learn best practices to make your reports more flexible and future-proof. Let's jump right in, so let's fire up Power BI. What I've got here is a simple orders table. You can follow along by entering your own or using any set of order data as long as there's a date column, usually called order date. Dates are the backbone of business analysis, so having them set up correctly is a game changer. Now I want to show you some common date transformations you'll use all the time. The first thing you might want to do is extract parts of your date like the year, the month, or the day. This helps break down trends over time and lets you create more insightful reports. Here, how to do it. In your orders table, click on the order date column. Head over to add column at the top, then navigate to date. From here, you've got a bunch of options. Click on year and then year again. You'll instantly see a new column with just the year of each order. Why is this useful? Well, imagine you're analyzing sales over several years. Being able to filter or group by year makes things so much easier. Now let's grab the month. Still under add column, right arrow date, choose month, then month again to get the month number. That's January as 1, February as 2, and so on. Numbers are great for sorting, but if you want your reports to feel a bit more human, also add the name of month. This gives you January, February, etc., making visuals much more readable for everyone. Don't forget about the day. Go to add column, right arrow date, right arrow day, right arrow day. This extracts the day of the month, which is helpful if you ever need to look at things like last day sales events. Dates get even more useful when you start thinking in terms of periods. Try finding the start and end of each month. Select order date, then add column, right arrow date, right arrow start of month. You'll see a fresh column with, say, 2020-40401 for every April date, perfect for aggregating monthly data cleanly. You can do the same with end of month. Now you know exactly where each period begins and ends. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about quarters and weeks. Those are really popular time frames, especially for business reviews. With order date selected, add column, right arrow date, right arrow quarter of year gives you 1 through 4 for Q1 to Q4. For weeks, pick week of year. This generates a week number from 1 to 52 or 53, which is fantastic for detailed time tracking, like retail sales or weekly performance dashboards. Now let me share a best practice that'll make your Power BI projects more robust. Always create a dedicated date table. Why? Because relying on just one date column in your fact table limits your slice and dice capabilities. A date table acts like the calendar for your entire dataset. It lets you build flexible, time-based calculations and relationships. Here, how you do it. In Power Query, create a blank query, then jump into the advanced editor and paste the script I've provided below the video. What this code does is start from January 1, 2023 up to December 31, 2024, but you can adjust those dates if you need a different range. It creates one row for every single date, and then automatically adds year, month number, month name, and quarter columns. Think of this as building your own customizable calendar right inside Power BI. Once you have it, you can link this date table to your orders table, unlocking all sorts of time intelligence features, no matter what field you're analyzing. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've transformed the way you work with dates in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. Got any questions about dates or want to see more Power BI demos? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.